Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe on this channel and like and follow.
And solve your financial problem. Don't they deceive yourself. Before I forget, the affiliate marketing business is a platform where people can make money now. Young people are cashing out from it. Instead of staying in people's DM begging for money, help yourself. Learn a business. Learn this one. Learn this trade. It's very easy. You can do it from home. You can do it with your phone, whether iPhone or whether Android. No matter how small your phone is, so long the phone can browse.
Kindly subscribe on this channel, Samuel Shola, popularly known as Mentor Psalmist. Thank you. Okay guys, up next is how to start your online business step-by-step tutorial. Step 1, choose your online business and do your market research is very important. Number 2, attaching customers by your website, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Number 3, earn money from your website by customer retention by bringing them to chat them up. Number 4 is raise fund and form a team. Keep on telling them what to do and what to do. The last step is fulfill legal requirements, payment and shipping mechanism so as to get your money. That's all about it. Thank you for watching this. You can WhatsApp me via this link. Thank you. I would say I'm so amazed by the number of people subscribing on this channel. Thank you. Kindly on the bell notification. What I'm about to teach you now is what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where an affiliate promotes another person's product or company through their own marketing channel, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whereby you sell a product for somebody via a link from your site, from your end, and you get paid. Wow, what a sweet thing. Have you marketed something for somebody and you don't get paid? Affiliate marketing is the best channel and the best thing you should do in 2023. Kindly sell people's products and you get paid over anything. Now, what you need to do, join first, promote, and you earn money. And most likely it is 50-50%. Now, doing affiliate marketing with DIGITSTEM is one of the best things you should do with Mentor Psalmist. Now, using your smartphone, you have access to a course where you buy and register on the platform. Then, money back guarantee. Your money will come back as more as people that buy those products using your link. Now, what you need to do is to watch a video I've done previously. Up next is earn up to 300k in 30 days with Ultimate Money Machine program, whereby you just buy the course and the registration is going for 20,000 naira, which is $40, and I'll teach you how to make money with your smartphone. All well and said, WhatsApp. You've done so many things and you've failed, you've tried, but I am trying to tell you that I am sure you are probably wondering, why is this person telling me to consider WhatsApp marketing for my business? Wow. All because I am not making enough sales on WhatsApp. It's just because you are not doing it consistently. That is it. You can see the flyer I created for myself. I never gave anybody to do this. I created and love these. Successful people, they want others to succeed, while unsuccessful people, they want others to fail. If you want to be successful financially using your smartphone, kindly follow up my link, WhatsApp me on that via that link, and let's discuss on how to make money online. This is what people are doing. There is no last, there is no first comer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. That's my WhatsApp number. Love you guys. Bye.